Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Beginner's Guide to Learning Python, a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Learning Python. Whether you are new to programming or looking to add Python to your skill set, this tutorial is designed to help you get started. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language known for its readability and ease of use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation in Python programming, and you'll be ready to tackle a variety of projects. Table of Contents. Getting started with Python. Understanding the basics. Control flow. Functions and modules. Data structures. File handling. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Advanced topics. Working with APIs. Building simple projects. Debugging and testing. Best practices and style guide. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing the Beginner's Guide to Learning Python. By now, you should have a strong foundation in Python programming and be well equipped to take on more advanced topics and projects. Remember to practice regularly, explore additional resources, and join the vibrant Python community to continue your learning journey. Appendix. Include a collection of code examples used throughout the tutorial in a separate section of the PDF, making it easy for learners to reference and reuse code snippets. ChatGPT.